संसोड्याच्या कोयराचो सुटावो करपा खातीर सातत्यान यत्न चलत आसात. ह्या खातीर सुटावो काडपाक मडगांव पालिकेन डॉ. डिलन हाणें ब्लॅक होल टॅक्नॉलॉजी बाबतींत सादरीकरण केल्लें. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
That's what I've learned is they also have got a go-ahead from the Pollution Control Board to set up a similar plant at Goa Medical College. So which they have, I think it is in the pipeline. I do not know. But again, what the medical waste, it's mainly the medical waste at Goa Medical College and the day-to-day waste that is coming. But the Sansodar dump has got lot of mixed waste. So I think if they could also, with the necessary government permissions, if they could also have a kind of a small 1 or 2 ton plant at Sansodar on a model basis, I think that would actually give us an insight into the working of the plant, and it would also satisfy all kinds of queries that would come. Because I think the kind of questions that he faced today and the anger, it is not anger against him as such, it is basically an anger against about what has happened in the past. I think it has been a trust deficit with every technology that has come and failed. So, and it's that all of us want a solution to the Sansodar dump because it's been a major public worry and a public and a health hazard to the vicinity people.
Which does not require any input source of electricity or any input source of power. Emissions are literally zero because we get complete combustion. We don't have any remnant oxygen atom to make any kind of compounds which are pollutants. So it's a completely zero emission technology, completely self-sustaining technology. We require very minimal space. The manpower requires maybe two men on a 24-hour shift, like 2 men at every 8-hour shift. And the only thing that will really require maintenance will be the conveyor belt because that's the only moving parts. The machine per se had no moving parts. The life of the machine can go beyond 25 to 30 years once you start it once. You never need to turn the machine on. So it's a very low minimal cost machine, but only the cost factor is the core parts. The core parts have to be very machined. They have to be calibrated. We have to put them in certain angles to each other to maintain the space between the atoms to really create the plasma state.